Renovating RVs is a huge trend right now. It can seem intimidating, but RV Trader is here to help with 4 tips for creating your RV renovation plan. 1. Set your budget. Start your remodel journey by deciding how much you're willing to spend. Keep in mind the cost of the RV itself, plus supplies like tools, paint, flooring, and plumbing, electrical, and engine parts. 2. Determine your skill set. Unless you want to waste time and money, you need to be completely honest with yourself about if you're truly capable of tasks, from painting and reupholstering to repairing the engine or RV frame. 3. Inspect the RV. Even if you can fix things, you need to know the RV's current condition. Inspect everything, from the steering and suspension to the engine and brakes. Also look for water damage, which can be hard to spot and can derail a project. 4. Make a list of renovation necessities. What will you need for the remodel? Make a comprehensive list. Supplies always go faster than you think, so be sure to buy enough of what you need. These early steps will set a strong foundation for beginning an RV renovation project. For more tips, visit rvtrader.com/blog/renovation.